Let's simplify the square root of 24 and also the cube root of 24 and the fourth root of 24. Let's do that to help us understand how to simplify radicals. Well, remember this is a square root. It doesn't have anything here, but that means there's a 2 there, which another way to think about that is 24 to the 1/2 power. That's what a square root is. Okay? There's a couple ways you can simplify radicals. The way I like to do it is I always like to break whatever your number on the inside is, I like to break it up into the product of primes, because the product of primes is as far down as you can go with the number. So 24 is 4 times 6 or 8 times 3 or 12 times 2. But in any case, when you get down to the product of primes, it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if I'm raising that to the 1/2 power, what I like for people to do is to look for that, since it's a 1/2 power, I'm going to look for 2 of the same factor. There's 2 2's. So what's 2 times 2? 4. And what's the square root of 4?
2.
It's 2. So this right here will break jail and a 2 will come out. And what stays in? What doesn't break jail?
2 and 3.
2 times 3, which is 6. So 2 root 6 is the simplified form of the square root of 24. 2 root 6. Again, you could have thought of that as 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 2 squared to the 1/2 power. And what happens when you multiply 1/2 times 2?
Cancel.
You get 1, and that's why the 2 is there. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try now 24 to the 1/3 power. Alright, so let's try this one now. So now I'm taking the third root of 24. So the same thing, I want to do the same thing, but now instead of looking for, so I've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 to the 1/3 power. So I need to find something, I need to find 3 factors that are the same, which I have right here. So think of it as 2 cubed. What's 2 cubed to the 1/3 power?
2.
Yeah, those 3 and the 1/3 cancel out. So this equals 2. One of the 2's breaks jail, the other ones die off. And then I'm left with a 3, a cube root of 3. I can't break that up anymore. It's 2 cube roots of 3. That's the answer. Let's try this one. The fourth root of 24, again, I'm saying 1/4 power. And when I break this up, you'll hopefully realize that there's nothing you can do, because I would need 4 of the same factor in here, and I don't have 4 of the same factor. I've got 4 factors, but they're not all the same. So I can't break that up anymore. It's already in simplest form. Fourth root of 24 can't be simplified anymore. So that's just a breakdown of how you simplify radicals.